This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford F150 tire full guide. Loosen the lug nuts slightly while the truck sits, then place wheel chocks and set the jack under the recommended lift point. Raise the truck until the tire clears the ground and finish removing lug nuts. Keep tools organized so reinstallation goes smoothly and safely. Use steady, even force to remove the wheel once lug nuts are off, and avoid twisting motions that can strain your back. Hold the tire close to your body while stepping back to set it down gently. Check the spare for proper inflation and confirm the lug studs and rotor surface are free of dirt. If you see damage, do not drive far. Seek professional help to ensure safe operation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: socks. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a small comfort for long roadside waits. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a pair. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Place the spare on the studs and hand thread each lug nut evenly to seat the wheel. Lower the vehicle until the spare touches the ground enough to resist spinning, then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern to about 1/2 of the final torque. Fully lower the truck and use a torque wrench to reach manufacturer-specified torque. Recheck lug nuts after driving a short distance to ensure safe fitment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.